Recording your first WaterWolf video is easy. All you need is your camera, the line tube, your chosen lure, a brass weight, an SD card, and the USB cable. First, open the camera, wiggle it back and forth, then pull it. This takes a bit of practice, but then it's easy. You can also insert a piece of string through the hole in the cap and gently pull it. For charging the camera, use the USB cable. When the blue light turns off, the camera is fully charged. Insert a micro SD card, label facing down. To start recording, move the switch in the on position. The red light turns on. Do not touch the switch or SD card. This can damage the files. When flashing slowly, like this, the camera is recording. To stop recording, move the switch to off and wait until you are sure the red light is out. When closing the camera, give the cap a small twist. That's it. Let's go fishing. To mount the camera for lure fishing, take the guide tube and tie your chosen leader to the end with a rubber collar. Pull the eye of the line guide into the rubber collar. Insert a brass weight. For this lure we have chosen the 12-gram weight. Tie your main line to the remaining eye of the line guide. To mount the camera, insert the line tube in the camera guide. Push the end with the rubber collar all the way in first and then the rear tube. Now the camera is locked in place. Attach your lure to the leader. And this might seem obvious, but remember to turn on the camera before you start fishing.